I'm Zak Datson. I work for BBC R&D, and I'm from London. So today we've been doing a spatial audio demo, or binaural audio, using our good friend Alan, the 3D printed head. We've been showing the kids or talking to the kids about how they use the shape of their heads and the distance between their ears to work out how they hear sounds and work out where they're coming from. And then we've been using Alan, the head, to demonstrate how we replicate that effect when we want to record a sound and then play it back over headphones so that it has the same kind of spatial effect and sounds like it's coming from different places. We want to create experiences, sort of media experiences that are as immersive and engaging as possible. And one of the ways that we want to do that is by using sounds that kind of recreate the real experience of hearing sound. So it feels like you're there, essentially. So that's important for things like the TV. So there's been a Doctor Who episode that uses it. So it sounds like there's kind of knocking coming from all around, or for music performances. So what you might do is have one of these sort of recording heads in a studio and then have the instruments all around, and then it sounds like you're there, you're with the band. So that's kind of the reason that we do it. BBC R&D does all sorts of things. So we work in any kind of technology or science sector that might be useful to the BBC. So we get to do loads of cool stuff. So there's obviously we work a lot on sound, we work a lot on video, and improving video quality or making the colors pop more on your TV. We also work a lot on sort of internet technology, as we're moving from sort of traditional broadcasting over to BBC iPlayer and sending everything over the internet. So we work a lot with AI and using AI to do things like automatically transcribe TV shows. We also work on media provenance, so that's kind of labeling things so that when you watch a TV program or read a piece of news, you can tell where that's come from. So that's just some of the things we do at BBC R&D. There's a few different ways to get into BBC R&D. One of the ways is through a grad scheme. So for that, you'd have to go to university. We want a broad selection of people at R&D with different ideas. So there's a number of different ways you could go to then apply to be in the grad scheme. Anything with kind of a science or engineering background would be useful. User experience people. There's also apprenticeships. So you can do apprenticeships with BBC R&D or elsewhere in the BBC that train you as you work. So you kind of work towards a qualification while you work at the BBC. There's also placements. So you can do placements while you're at uni or while you're at school for a shorter term that give you kind of a flavour of what working in BBC or BBC R&D might be like. That's something you want to try.